iOS 15 now allows your iPhone to identify text within images in your camera roll, and you can even copy and paste text from images. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to copy and paste text from photos in iOS 15. Now let's get started. First, ensure your device has been updated to iOS 15 or newer. Then open the Photos app. Open a photo that contains text. Then tap and hold on the text to select it. Use the markers on either end of the selected text to adjust your selection. To copy the text, tap your selection, then select Copy. From there, you can paste the text into any other app or message you like. That's all it takes to copy and paste text from photos in iOS 15. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.